What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5. So in today's video, guys, it's all about this crypto here called Synthetix, also known as SNX, which has been pumping like crazy over the last 24 hours. 78% up, guys, making it $2.77. It is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So we're going to be looking at where is it heading to, why is it pumping so much, is it a good time to buy, is it too late, is it a good time to sell, so on and so on, and obviously giving you guys my prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, how high and how low can this crypto go, and obviously overall is it a good investment, and looking at its potential over the long run and over the short term as well. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers as soon as possible, hopefully by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can see, according to Coinbase, it is the top gainer in the last 24 hours. So let's just change this to US dollars just to avoid any confusion. So over the last hour, it has just about fluctuated around $2.80. Over the last day, a massive 80%, going from literally 155 all the way up to 280 right now. And over the week, 50% up, and over the month, just about 3%. It's been very volatile. We've seen a peak, drop, and right now peaking back up in value. But obviously, this peak is just a major peak that's taken place within the last 6-7 hours. So on the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 1,250% in the last 24 hours, making it $328 million, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Synthetix. As you can see here, we're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto. We got a massive 56% buy against 44% sell. So yeah, there are a lot of people still investing into it right now, even though it is pumping up in value. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide it, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we have also got the SMA indicator here at the top, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing Synthetix at $2.36. However, it is trading at a much higher value at $2.80, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. And yes, guys, as you can clearly see on the side here, the whole crypto market is up. Most cryptos are up today, including Bitcoin, jumping 10% in the last 24 hours. But if you look at it overall, it is still down. Just because it's gone up 10-15% in the last 24 hours doesn't mean it's starting to recover, it's going to go back up. That is not the case. We are still in a bearish market at the moment. I am expecting more drops, but we'll get into that later on in the video. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer, guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So if you guys have been following me for a while, you would know that I've always said this: whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, just like what's happened here to this crypto, it has to come back down. It has to take a little breather, and that has already started. As you can see, it's already started to drop down in value. It was worth about $3.37 earlier this morning, and it has taken a slight dip going down to 281. I'm expecting it to pump back up in value to around 320, 340, and then dropping back down to about 260, 280. So it's going to be volatile. We are going to see a peak drop, but the overall outcome seems to be just about neutral, hovering around 260 to 280 is what I'm predicting. As you can see, the blue line here is looking a little bit bearish, going towards the negative direction. However, the orange line is looking bullish, going towards the positive direction. So all in all, we have got a mixed signal. One's going down, one's going up, so meaning the overall outcome seems to be neutral, fluctuating around the current price range. But in between that time, it is going to be volatile. So towards the end of the day today, we should be fluctuating at the current price range. Now, moving on to the hourly chart. Next couple of days, we're looking very bullish, guys. We've got the blue line and the orange line looking very steep, going in a positive direction. However, the only reason for that is because we've seen major increases in value over the last 6-7 hours. So the graph thinks, you know what, is going to keep pumping, is going to keep going up in value, it's going to be a major bull run. However, that is not the case. Over the next couple of days, I am expecting this crypto to drop back down in value to around the $2, $2.20 target, somewhere around here towards the end of the week. However, it depends on how the crypto market performs, including how Bitcoin and everything else performs as well. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect here? Again, I'm talking about late July to early August. We should expect a slow and steady increase in value. As you can see, we're not looking as steep as the previous chart. The blue line and the orange line are both going in a positive direction, but they are just about going positive. They're not, looking too steep, which won't be realistic. So this is looking much more realistic. So do expect very minimal increases in value over time over the next 7-8 weeks. Potentially going to around the $4 mark is what I'm expecting. $4, $4.50 early August to mid August. But any major updates that come across in between that time that can have a potential impact on the value of this crypto, either in a positive or negative way, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So now that we've done our price prediction, I'm going to get rid of the MACD indicator and bring out the Fibonacci scale. But before I do that, guys, I have made a Telegram group chat which you guys can join, where I'll be showing you guys daily price updates and prediction every single day on Bitcoin, on what you can expect that day. Is it going bullish, is it going bearish, and from the whole crypto market as well, and giving you guys analysis on different cryptocurrencies that you guys request for in the group chat. And I'll show you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The link to my Telegram group chat will be in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left before it jumps back up to $29.99. So what does this include? So you're going to get put into two group chats. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling. The other one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I'll give you guys daily Bitcoin updates every single morning on what you can expect, sometimes even twice a day, depending on how volatile the crypto market is, and obviously giving guys analysis and predictions on different cryptocurrencies that you guys request for in the group chat. But any questions, any queries you guys may have regarding this, before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, once again, the link is in the description box down below. So back to SNX we go. So as you can see, we are trading in the red zone and have been trading in the red zone since, let's have a look here, late November 2021. For about 7 months straight, we have been trading in the red zone. There has been times where we tried to peak up to get into the green zone, as you can see here. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, here as you can see, early January 2022 we tried to, but resisted, and then here again in late March we tried it again, but it resisted. So every time we do try and get into it, it resists and drops back down in value. So I'm not expecting us to hit the green zone anytime this year, so very likely we're going to stay under the $5 to $6 mark for most of the year in 2022, and potentially 2023 is when we head into the green zone. But so far, more or less, we are going to be trading in the red zone for most of the year, and it's just going to get, as you can see, we should be able to slowly and steadily increase in value, as I mentioned earlier. But again, nothing major is expected as of yet. But if there are, then I will make sure to keep you guys updated. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. A massive thank you to you guys, because it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as well, because I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers as soon as possible. So it'd mean the world if you can please hit the subscribe button. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.